Alright everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I have my full review of the FATUQIA case for the iPhone 15 Plus. Now before we get started, if this video piqued your interest and you would like to know where you can pick up any and everything featured in today's video and help support the channel at the same time, I will have all of the affiliated buy links for everything featured in today's video linked up down below in the video description. And as the name implies, if you guys and gals decide to make your purchase using those affiliate buy links, I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. Also, if you guys and gals would like to see any more of my extended coverage on either the iPhone 15 Plus here or any more of my favorite recommended accessories, I'll link up all of my extended coverage on either the iPhone 15 Plus or my favorite recommended accessories down below in the video description as well. So the video description will truly be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Today's video is being recorded with the rear-facing primary camera on the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and is being recorded in 1080p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. And I am using my professional studio lights here today. So please let me know how you guys and gals feel the iPhone 13 Pro Max is performing in terms of video quality and overall audio quality. And also let me know what you guys and gals think of the overall lighting as well. As always, all of your feedback is greatly appreciated. Just remember to keep your feedback respectful, please. All right. Now, housekeeping done, let's go ahead and dive into today's full review. All right. Now, starting off, when we talk about this case for the iPhone 15 Plus, the first thing I want to talk about with everyone is the overall build quality and design of the case. Now, in terms of the overall build quality and build materials, this particular case is built out of a combination of TPU textured matte plastics and MagSafe magnets. Okay, so in terms of where everything is, you have TPU texturized plastic around the sides. Okay, you have frosted TPU plastic in the middle on the back. Then you have plastic lens protectors with matte plastic TPU material to protect the camera lenses. And then on the inside, you have your MagSafe magnets, meaning that this case does give you the ability to retain all of your iPhone 15 Plus features, including the MagSafe features. Okay, so that's what we have in terms of the overall build quality and build materials for this case. And in my opinion, the overall build quality of this case is top notch. I can't even talk today. The build quality of this case is top notch in my opinion. Now, moving on and talking about the overall design, I do have to say I really do like this design as well. This nice frosted finish on the back, see-through but not quite, is really nice. The nice matte material around the sides is really nice. I do like the overall look, and I also like the fact that it gives you full protection for your entire device, because this case also came with a nice privacy tempered glass screen protector. All right, and everything that I talk about in terms of the case also carries over to the screen protector as well. All right, so that is really nice in my opinion. This is the epitome of what I would like to call one-stop shopping. Really good stuff there in my opinion. So again, the overall build quality and design on the whole, in my opinion, is top notch indeed. Okay, if there was anyone negative that I would have to say I don't like about the design, this frosted material is very fingerprint prone, And you can see if I tilt the case in just the right light, it is picking up a lot of fingerprints, okay? And that same thing carries over to the screen protector. So you can see if I tilt the screen protector in just the right light, it does pick up a lot of fingerprints. So if there was any one downside to the case and screen protector here, I do wish they had a more fingerprint resistant coating or oleophobic coating to cut down on the fingerprints that the case collects and also cut down on the fingerprints that the screen protector collects as well. But other than that, I have to say the overall build quality and design of the case is top notch in my overall opinion. Okay? Moving on now, let's talk about the overall fit and feel of the case and screen protector on my device. Okay? Now talking about the overall fit and feel of the case itself, I have to say FATUOQIA, and I know I'm butchering that name, has done a top-notch job here in terms of the overall fit. You can see it fits onto my device pretty much perfectly, okay? And we do have really nice precision cutouts for everything. So we have really nice cutouts for our charging port, our speaker grills, and our microphones, okay? We have a fully protected power button, really nice top. We have fully protected volume rockers and a nice cutout for the mute/silence switch. So really, really nice. And everything is nice and reachable. So that's really, really nice as well. And they did add the addition of a lanyard cutout. So you can add a nice lanyard strap to this as well. Okay? Really, really good stuff there. So in terms of the overall fit of the case, I'd have to say they did a top-notch job. And one thing that I really like, and I'm going to stop talking for a little bit here, is that the buttons all maintain their clickiness, all while having maximum protection. So let me let y'all hear this. Really, really nice. Now, I don't know how well y'all gonna hear that because my AC is going. It is 90 degrees out today, so it's kind of hot. So, you know, I'm sorry if the AC overshadowed that, but the clickiness of these buttons are top-notch in my opinion. Trust me, okay? And the overall fit of the case is top-notch in my opinion as well. Now, moving on to the overall feel of the case in hand, I have to say the feel of the case in hand is top-notch as well. The nice texturized matte material around the sides just adds a nice amount of grip to an otherwise very slippery device. So you can see holding the case loosely in my hands here. If I shake, it's not going anywhere. And that's due to the nice matte material going around the sides. So the overall feel in hand, in my opinion, is top-notch. Okay? Top-notch indeed. And again, talking about the fit and feel of the screen protector, everything that I talked about in terms of the case carries over to the screen protector. So it fits flawlessly on my device. Now it does add a little bit of open space around the entirety of the edge of my display. So it's not full edge-to-edge protection, but it works perfectly in combination with the case that it came with, and it actually fits onto my device perfectly, and everything functions as if I don't have a case on my device, which at the end of the day, don't have a screen protector on my device, sorry for that mistake, which at the end of the day is what you want when you're picking up a screen protector. You want it to go on, add its necessary protection, and you want your device to perform as if it doesn't have a screen protector on it. So I have to say the overall fit and feel of the included screen protector is top-notch as well. Okay, with the added bonus of the fact that it is a privacy screen protector, so at the right angles, it does cut off the viewability of the display in its entirety. So you can see if I shift ever so slightly, you can't see what's on my display. So this is really, really nice because it adds a level of privacy or security as well. Again, like I said, this case and screen protector combo is the epitome of one-stop shopping. Okay? So that's how I feel in terms of the fit and feel for the case, and that's how I feel in terms of the fit and feel for the screen protector as well. Both top-notch across the board, in my opinion. Okay? Up next now, let's expand more upon the overall protection that this case and screen protector combo provides. And as I said earlier, or alluded to earlier, if I didn't say it clearly, the overall protection that this case provides is top-notch, because you have full protection for everything. So you have full protection for your cameras, camera lenses, flash, and microphones, okay? And you have full protection for your buttons, okay? And you also have full protection for your display. So if I just so happen to drop my device face down, my display is perfectly fine. So too is my camera lenses, or are my camera lenses. If I just so happen to drop my device back down, my cameras are fine, okay? And I don't even really have to think about it, because we have that added plastic camera lens protection. So my cameras are protected in their entirety, and with the addition of the screen protector and the case, my display is protected in its entirety as well. So the overall protection that this case provides, as I said, is top-notch. Top-notch indeed. Okay? Up next now, I just want to briefly summarize all of the positives of this case and screen protector combo, and all of the negatives of this case and screen protector combo. And then we're gonna move on and talk about the overall pricing and the current availability. And I'm gonna share my overall final thoughts and make an overall recommendation. Stumbling over my words a lot today. I apologize, everyone, but the show must go on. Let's go. So I will also, I almost forgot to mention, include a full list of the positives that I experienced in the video thrown up in post, and the negatives that I experienced in the video thrown up in post in my time testing out this case and screen protector combo. All right? And disclaimer, I am not perfect, and I never claim to be. So if you guys and gals decide to pick up this case and screen protector combo, and you experience a positive and or a negative that I did not mention in this video, please provide that feedback on your experience down below in the comments, because only through providing our feedback can we get overall improvements on the products and devices that we spend our hard-earned money on. Okay? And I'm only human, so I may not come across everything in my time with these products. Okay? And what I consider to be a negative might not be a negative for you guys and gals. Keep in mind, all of these videos are based on my experience and my overall opinions, and everybody's entitled to their own experiences and their own opinions. Okay? Disclaimer done. Let's get into the positives and negatives of this case and screen protector combo now. And honestly, this is basically just going to be a rundown of everything that I've talked about in terms of this video so far. So in terms of the positives, the overall build quality and design is top-notch in my opinion. The overall fit and feel of the case and screen protector on my device is top-notch as well. And the overall protection that the case and screen protector combo provides is top-notch as well. And this particular combo of accessories for the iPhone 15 Plus is available at a really great price. Okay, we're going to talk about the pricing and availability in a second here. That goes over all of the positives. Now, jumping over to the negatives, and we already touched on basically the only negative that I experienced with this combo of accessories, the fingerprints. Okay, like I said, I do wish the case and the screen protector had a more fingerprint resistant or oleophobic resistant coating to cut down on the fingerprints, because you can pick them up easily. And there's really nothing you can do but wipe down your device if it bothers you. And it does really bother me from time to time. Okay? But honestly, that's the only negative that I experienced in my time with this case and screen protector combo. Okay, so that, guys and gals, goes over all of the positives that I experienced, and that also goes over all the negatives that I experienced. Now, let's move on to the final part of this video. Let's talk pricing. Let's talk overall availability. Let me get into sharing my final thoughts and make an overall recommendation. Now, in the interest of full disclosure, I do want to let everyone know, as I did in the unboxing and first impressions video, this was another product that came into the channel thanks free of charge to the Amazon Vine program. All I had to do was use the product and write up and submit a full written review to be published on Amazon, and then the product is mine to keep. With that being said, I still did do my due diligence and find the current pricing and availability for this case and screen protector combo. And again, I'll have that linked up down below in the video description. But in terms of the pricing currently, okay, which as of the recording of this video is June 26th, this case and screen protector combo can be had for $9.99. So basically $10 before shipping and handling and taxes. Okay? And let me check this out. Let's see if there's any more colors currently available. So let me go to the live listing. And no, there are no more available colors. So this only comes in one color, transparent matte black, okay, with the privacy tempered glass screen protector. That's the only color that it comes in. Okay? Okay. So that goes over the current pricing. That goes over the current availability. Now, how do I feel about this case and screen protector combo overall? Well, I have to say I really, really like it. Is it perfect? No, not by any means. It definitely needs some improvements, but I can easily recommend it if you guys and gals are looking for a really nice case and screen protector to provide maximum protection for your device while also adding additional privacy and security. Okay? I have no problems recommending this case. Alright, guys and gals, that does it for today's video. As always, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. Also, if you guys and gals would like to see more content like this, also feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when new videos go live on the channel. Alright? Have a great one, everyone. Stay safe out there, and I'll catch you guys and gals in the next one. We're out of here. Peace.